Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for your continuous support and the big up on yourself. So I'll decide to do a part two on Michelle Ladana thing argument about the hypocrisy and it's hypocrisy and unregistered charity, because but fine when I go down memory lane, I want to go down memory lane. I'm not here, as I say, to take any sides. I'm just a content me I'm doing. Me I do a little content thing. So we are going down a memory lane. We're not going down memory lane because it's just whenever I go over by over Facebook, over the book face, and me hear the people them running with the Michelle playing memories and this and you hear it all over the place. Yeah, the memories and the thing about registered charity and all that. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm very confused about Michelle's behavior. Yeah. And then it caused me to reflect, and then me thinking, what caused all this? Why she throwing the lady under the bus or throwing her out for the enemies to devour her? So me kind of feel really, as Michelle joined alliances with the lady, with the people them over the camp, it just make you wonder, because she come out, she's throwing these things out there, and the people them running and twisting things up, and she's not coming out to, clear it up and say no, whatever. She not come up with no evidence about, all these threats that she gets. And that's a serious threat, that should be reported if that something goes so, but we not see no evidence. So that's why I'm thinking it should be coming a bit like certain people. It just make you wonder really. So anybody see Michelle with Mikala, can me want to go down a memory lane with her, because she used to put the lady up on the highest pedestal you could have get. She did put her upon it. Me don't know, she never drop off of it, because her up there, so she did put her. And then now she's coming out with all this, and I'm thinking something's going on with Michelle. I mean, I don't normally play people's videos when I'm doing my when I'm doing my videos. I don't normally play people's voices, but this time it was the young lad in Canada, when the lady got the donation for urine, and I decided to put, I did come across something, and Michelle was so excited about it and saying who could make so much money. The lady is bigger than TVJ. And when me see certain things going on, this morning it come to me to say, I must go and look for that video. Because I put a little 2 minutes, me did talk about that and put a little 2 minutes of Michelle voice in my video. So me go down a memory lane, and me dig it out, and me find it, and Michelle actually say that the lady, have charity in her DNA. Yes, I saw her words. She have charity in her DNA, and she was talking, and she was so excited, and then Michelle turned upon the little lad, and say whatever, and then all these things that Michelle doing. I'm very, very confused about the whole, this. I'm thinking there must be something going on with Michelle. Me don't know that, but there is something going on. We have to say, if she join alliances with them people they over so. Over the camp, because she want the enemy to devour the lady. So like she said, if she talk and then she come out and she say she do prank, and then she come out and she apologize, and then she says she's going up on New Horizon and she not do this, and then she come back out and she said this, and if me talk, and all this is, I'm very confused about the whole thing. But true, we reflectors over here, so, and then me just remember say she did set things, go down a memory lane, and me dig out this about 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. May I give one out of what Michelle said. So come, Michelle, come listen to what you said, because I'm confused. Maybe you forget. So now listen, and me come back to now.
Miss Donna Mariko. She came across the video like most of us, and she jumped on it, right? Because she's got a giving nature. She cannot help it. I posted that it's in her DNA. Whenever God, gives you a gift, a gift of giving and caring, you cannot run away from it because He will flog you. You literally will be punished. And when something is a part of you and it's in your DNA, you cannot help yourself. No matter how you say, oh, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do it. You can't help yourself. You understand? For certain things you will see it and you'll just say, you know what? I have to. You're compelled. You feel something is pulling you. It's like, you know what I mean? So she reached out to this gentleman and she invited the gentleman on her live, right? And when I tell you that people rolled out in their numbers, they donated to this guy, and he needed 20,000, I think, Canadian dollars. That's what he needed. That was the goal. And so thus far, he got 29,000 and counting. Who did that? TVJ started it, but Auntie Dada finished it. TVJ, I'm going to say something, right? Though it's a platform, right? And, it's a TV station, but your reach is not as wide as somebody, a content creator who's got a huge following, or a blogger who's got a huge following. Auntie Donna, right? She's got 3 platforms. Over on YouTube, she have 104,000 subscribers. On Facebook, she has 663,000 followers, right? And then over on Instagram, she has 330 something followers. Over on TikTok, I'm not sure, right? So just imagine, her reach is far, right? So that help is going to be so much greater than TVJ. Though TVJ, you started it, yep.
Yes, and I hear what Michelle say. She say, Donna have charity in her DNA. She have done a medical file. Anyway, what me I go say, you hear, she's very passionate. Yes, she love. You can hear it in her voice. She loves this lady. Yes.
So now hear what Michelle had to say there. So me very, very, very confused. Yeah, me very confused about Michelle. Yeah, I don't know what to make of the whole thing. People are saying Michelle faked it to make it. People fake it to make it, yeah. So she aligned herself with them on the big platform. If we say how much she loved the lady. Forget the supporters, yes. So I don't know. I'm just wondering. I'm not saying that's the case. They're saying because she said she's a very loyal person, and her friends know her has been very loyal. Sometimes me wonder if Michelle just come out and just say anything without even thinking clearly what she's saying. And some of the times she don't listen to video, she just hear one little piece from somewhere. She listening to the people, the enemy camp, them cut out things and play it and twist it. So I don't know whether that's part of it. That's what I'm wondering, if that's part of why, sometimes our arguments don't, sometimes a reasoning is a little bit off in parts because she don't hear she don't listen to all the video because she herself said sometimes she's busy, she don't get time to do research. So I don't know if that's the case. I'm wondering if that's the case. But Michelle's gone very bitter. I think she gone very bitter now. Yeah, very bitter. I don't understand why she gone so bitter. So that's all I had to say. I had to go down memory lane. Yes, Michelle. So that's what I say. I got nothing against Michelle, but I had to go down memory lane because I'm thinking, is this the same person? Yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, Fireman don't talk and she's out.